Thank you for staying with us until the end of this tutorial. We hope this session to help you better understand both the concept and the workflow of BuildOptiML. If you have any questions, need clarification, or would like to explore how this can be applied to your system, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to support you. You can contact us at support@buildoptimal.com. BuildOptiML is currently available as an online platform. If you require an on-premise deployment for integration with your existing BMS or SCADA system, please contact us for further discussion. Thank you once again, and we look forward to supporting you in optimizing your system with BuildOptiML.